Would you like to learn how to make some seriously delicious collard greens and cabbage? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Of course, you're going to need some collard greens and some cabbage, but the full ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. First, let me show you the easiest way to chop up some cabbage. Those collard greens in the bag, that's my new favorite way to make collard greens, child. They come already chopped up. The bag says that they're washed, but I still wash mine, child, because I don't want no collard cooties. So I still rinse them off with salt, sometimes vinegar, but it just makes the whole process a lot easier because you don't have to sit there and chop up all them greens. Too bad they don't do the same thing for cabbage. Somebody run tell the produce gourds we need some cabbage in a bag too. If you never tried mixed cabbage and collard greens together, you really need to try it. It is so good. It's like the best of both worlds. We're gonna make this nice and fast in a pressure cooker. First, we're going in with a little bacon grease. And to my pork patrol, I'm sorry. I hope things get better for you. Also add some onions, some multicolored bell peppers, a few pimento seeds, and a bay leaf. Stir that for about a minute on saute mode, and then add in some garlic. Then stir that again for about another minute, and then I'm gonna add in a smoked turkey leg, but any kind of smoked meat will do. Next, I'm gonna add the collard greens and the cabbage right on top of the smoked turkey leg and give that a good mix to the best of your ability. Next, we're gonna season the veggies. I like to use this Goya Hamon seasoning, which is like a pork flavored bouillon. And this Goya salad and vegetable seasoning is really good. And I'm also going in with my own all-purpose seasoning, ASIL. You can grab you some ASIL with the link pinned in the comment section. I'm also going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of sugar. No, it won't be sweet. Shut your face. The sugar just helps to balance everything out. Then give that a good stir and then add in some chicken broth. I made this broth actually with Better Than Bouillon garlic, roasted garlic base. But you can also use water. I was just trying to help your palate. And I'm going to add another smoked turkey leg right on top of the collard greens and cabbage because this is going to be like a total complete meal for me. A whole complete meal in one pot. Okay. Add enough liquid to cover the vegetables and a little piece of the turkey leg. And then pressure cook on high for 35 minutes. 35 minutes gave me a super tender turkey leg, but the vegetables were on the soft side. So if you don't like your vegetables really soft, then I would do 25 minutes. 25 minutes high pressure with a quick release. And then it should look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. Baby, these collard greens and cabbage was nothing to play with, y'all. Just so savory and smoky and delicious. The perfect vegetable dish that you didn't even know you need for your holiday table. You know Thanksgiving's around the corner, right? Sure will. Something else you need for the holidays is my cheesy garlic mashed potato recipe. I'll put the link to that deliciousness above. Tired of turkey? Why not have some orange and rosemary Cornish hens for the holidays? Super yummy. You know I got you, boo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help you, your palate. God bless you. Bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure